Good morning everyone. Welcome to our vlog Cattle and Travel. As the festive season comes in and the Christmas vibes are out in the air, we are ready for another set of trip that's taking us to the mountains, that's taking us to some of the most scenic parts of southern parts of India, the house of coffee, the place where the coffee originated in India. The place is called Coorg and Chikmagalur, one of the most scenic places out here in southern part of India. Let's go. So we've started our journey towards Coorg and Chikmagalur, the trip that we are having this time over the Christmas extended weekend. We started about half an hour ago. Our first destination of this journey is Coorg, a very scenic hill town in southern part of India. It is about a 5.5 hour of running journey from where we live in Bangalore. Depending on where you live, it would be somewhere between 4.5 to 5.5 hours of journey, about 320 kilometers away. On the way, we plan to stop at a couple of tourist spots. So our first stop for today is going to be Namroling Golden Temple, which is a very famous monastery of the region. For now, let's continue towards the Mysore and take the right turn at 67 kilometers from now. It still shows about 3 hours to our first stop for the day, which is Namroling Golden Temple. We've taken a pit stop just outside Mysore. There was this interesting structure that we saw with a building with a wheel on the top, a tire on the top actually. So we thought why not take a break with this interesting feature, because it showed a restaurant as well here. It turns out it's a Paina automotive museum, which is pretty interesting in itself. There were enough facilities for a good pit stop along with some excursion out here if you want to cover something on your route. So pretty good place, decent food. The only thing is they don't have parcels, so you need to eat here and then go. But overall a good relaxing pit stop, just energizing ourselves for the next leg. Hopefully we now stop at Namroling Monastery, the Golden Temple, which is the first official stop of this journey as well. We just left after a pit stop that we took at the Paina Car Museum. Actually, we weren't aware it happened to be the car museum. It still shows about 80 kilometers to the Golden Temple or the monastery. So another about 2 hours of drive from here. We've just come to the Namroling Golden Temple or the monastery, which is one of the biggest Tibetan settlements out of India. It's located in an area called Bailakuppe, which is part of the Mysore district. It is a very popular tourist destination out here when someone is visiting Coorg. The main entrance that you see behind me is a 4-storied building with wheels which denote Buddhism. The attraction here is the temple, where you could go in and see large statues of Lord Buddha. So it's a great experience out here. It was in the way, so we did stop here on the way to Coorg, but you can easily come from Coorg as well. But to Nisarg Dhama, or Kaveri Nisarg Dhama. It's in the Kodagu district, the Coorg district itself. It is a delta made by Kaveri and a couple of other rivers. Locals also call it as an island. It's kids fun activity kind of a place. It's developed into a tourist center. So there's a birds park which has about hundreds of varieties of birds and fishes. Then there is a bamboo park where there's a hanging bridge, the one that's fun to walk on. So we did all of those activities, and now we are wrapping up our second spot for the day. The first one was obviously the Namroling Monastery, and so we've checked into our hotel, we freshened up, and we've started exploring Coorg. Coorg is actually a district in itself and locally known as Kodagu. Madikeri is the district headquarters, and that is where we are staying for tonight. We are staying at two different places on both the nights to explore different sides of the city. We've come to Raja Seat Garden, which is an important tourist site out here in Coorg. It's actually a sunset point where there is musical fountains at some times, and there are some adventure activities including zip line and stuff around that. So it's a good evening hangout place where you can have some snacks, enjoy the sunset and some greenery. They've developed it very nicely. We've come back to our hotel. In the evening we visited the Raja Seat Garden, which is the sunset point. Then we also took a round of the city, especially the municipal market area, the main market area, to get a feel of the town, the vibe of the town actually. We're back to the hotel. We are calling it a day now. We'll order some dinner and then probably enjoy some tea or coffee in this balcony of our room.